5 on what are we learning? Thermochemistry is kind of like if we summarized by what's the letter we have learned. So in chapter 9, we learned heat, Q, and the heat, what we have. Okay, if you look at this, and the heat, we have two different stuff you want to play around with, mCp delta T and capital C. So there are mCp delta T or capital C delta T. But anyway, that's under the heat category. That's how you get heat. Yes. Okay. And we also have work. This part is combined with your chapter 6 of 2A, which is W. Okay, and the W, which is work. You have negative delta P delta V equals to delta N RT. We give a whole name of this as U, internal energy. This is so far we are now. We will not be able to get a bunch of really challenging questions because we're only 3 letters, maybe maximum 4 to play around with. Okay, what else? Okay, delta H, once it starts to play, that's enthalpy. Okay, we'll move to chapter 10, we'll have delta S and delta G. This is where we can get a little confusing, which is on Thursday class, but we will start to talk about this a little bit. Okay. Okay. From this question, where are they? It's not because it's chapter 10. Then I'll show you what do they look like. Okay. So if you're really curious on those, it's this delta G equals delta H minus T delta X that I'm going to define. This one. That's I'm going to define. This is, okay, how do they play? This is Thursday. I'm going to define those. I'm going to derive that one. But even if you cannot derive, it's fine because we only want you to be able to use this one and this one. Yes. Next Tuesday will be an example of how this play a bio. Okay.
I have one question for internal energy. Is
Yes.
it Q plus W for internal energy?
Pretty much is, but you need to pay attention to the direction. So Q and W, but Q itself can be in or out. W itself can be in or out.